Wow, this is so nice. It's so bright and colorful, and like all these colors, it just encompass the colors of the Philippines. I'm a little bit of a loss for words.
Wow, this is so cool. It's the most colorful underpass I've ever seen in my whole life. I hope that this is an inspiration for other cities.
Good morning, guys, and a happy Heroes Day to all of you out there. Nelly and I today came out to Intramuros to get a little bit of physical activity, a little bit of walking, a little bit of fresh air. We actually wanted to go and check out Rizal Park for this occasion. Hello! But unfortunately Rizal Park closes at 9 a.m. every day, so we were not able to go inside. So hello, no thank you, I'm okay. Hello, hey. So we decided to come and check out an underpass that has been quite popular in the media lately. It's a newly decorated place. What exactly is going on in that underpass, I'll talk about it in a second once we arrive there. But I just wanted to say, Happy Heroes Day. No rhyme intended here.
Yeah.
But it just so happens to be so.
Yeah.
Then one day the lady in the polka dot dress with the basket on her head.
Okay, and you might ask, why do you have to show us an underpass? Well, here's the thing. This underpass is decorated with greens and paintings, which is not a very common thing. Our underpasses in Austria look awful. Awful. We have some vlogs. I think the last underpass that we did in Makati, we showed what it looks like in our hometown in Linz, Austria. So we just kind of were excited to see the changes in Manila, how it looks now, and just take you along.
The señorita twist. Everybody, everybody do the salsa. Everybody, everybody do the rumba. Everybody, everybody do the cha-cha. It's fun.
Wow, this is so nice. It's like a screen almost.
It's like a screen. It's like a screen gallery.
Yeah.
So nice.
Impeccable. Wow. I thought it's more like, I saw these paintings, which are really beautiful. I didn't know they had these displays, these lit up displays. But wow, look at these paintings. Oh my god. Wow, that is stunning. So awesome. Look at the details.
There are so many details in these paintings, it's crazy.
It's so bright and colorful, and like all these colors, it just encompass the colors of the Philippines.
Yeah, and everywhere here you can see some major tourist spots here in this area. Here in general of Manila. It looks really, really nice. Very bright. I love the ceiling here. It looks has like a natural touch. Some nice lights, lots of people.
These paintings are so good that the autofocus keeps snapping onto their
Really?
faces. Yeah.
Let's continue and see what else is here.
Then one day the lady in the polka dot dress with the basket on her head came by mi casa, and before she would pass her this.
I think this is Jose Rizal,
Yeah.
which is very fitting to have him in the vlog today because he's the national hero of the Philippines, and today is the Heroes Day here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So it's really, really cool. And Nelly was just reading up about Jose Rizal, and I think you can see here he was writing that document, and this is when he was executed
Yeah.
after the Philippine Revolution.
There's lots of history
So awesome.
painted here.
It's so well done. So awesome. It's like I'm a little bit of a loss for words.
I think we should start over there, and then walk here to
Yeah.
kind of get the context of the history.
Oh yeah. That's a good idea.
Here we have black and white. Wow. Oh, I love this. The jeepney. Oh, the Kalisa, Mike, the Kalisa.
So I've driven one of these.
Yeah.
I've driven one of these.
Yeah.
I still have to drive this. I don't know who's going to let me drive this.
Oh, the ice cream vendors. Wow, frontliners represent. I think that's from the, what's the thing called, the event, the main event, the crucifixion.
The Black Nazarene.
Yeah.
That's the name, yeah.
Black Nazarene, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. We just looked at this church outside. And I even have a picture with one of these ice cream vendors from Intramuros. We're going to Intramuros next because it's just right here. So many details.
Oh my god, hang on. Guys, how well does Nelly fit in here with her dress?
Can we take a picture?
Yes, of course we can. That's so awesome.
It's the most colorful underpass I've ever seen in my whole life.
So cool. I'm so happy we came.
Yeah, it's really nice to see, and I hope that this is an inspiration for other cities to follow, especially our hometown in Austria.
Yeah.
So yeah, Mike is going to do the hyperlapse. Meanwhile, I'm going to read this to have a little bit more context. And if I can read anything new in here, I will just let you know. Oh, wait a second. Lagusnilad, this is the Lagusnilad mural, and it's painted by the artist Guerrilla.
Everybody, everybody do the salsa. Everybody, everybody do the rumba. Everybody, everybody do the cha-cha. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, fun, fun. Todo el mundo hace la salsa. Todo el mundo hace la rumba. Todo el mundo hace el cha-cha. Vamos, 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 vamos. Sing la tira, 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 and move like this. Sing la tira, 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 and shake your hips. Turn to the right, turn to the left, and do a little dip. Everybody, do the señorita, singing la tira, 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 and move like this. Singing la.
Okay guys, we both are really impressed by this underpass. It looks way better than it does on like the pictures in the video.
It is much better in real life, and I just took a bazillion pictures on my phone, so follow us on Instagram to see our nice shots.
Also what I like is there's, it's very well lit inside here. There's people here for security, they have some police, they have some security guards, there's security cameras, so it's a very safe place to come and just, you know, check it out and get a ton of pictures. And it's just good memory. It's really, really awesome. Love, love, love this place. Okay, as you can hear, there's also some music playing, so really, really cool. Guys, let me know. Guys, let me know if you plan on giving this place a visit. Let us know in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Just ate my mask. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
And make it happen. Bye-bye.